How to withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal. So first, open the Sweatcoin app on your phone. Tap on your profile at the bottom of the screen, then click on your profile picture at the top left. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. In the settings menu, tap on help and then scroll down to find other common questions. Click on can I cash out my sweat coins to PayPal or my bank account? Here's the catch. To withdraw your Sweatcoins to PayPal, you will need to invite at least 20 people to join Sweatcoin. Once you have done that, you will be able to cash out your earnings. Keep in mind, the available offers change daily. If you don't see PayPal as an option today, just check back tomorrow. You can also use your Sweatcoins to buy products or donate to charity, but per PayPal, the key is those 20 referrals. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.